The beauty industry wants you to believe that aging is a surface problem. They want you to buy the paint to cover the cracks. But as we enter 2026, the Global Longevity Initiative has confirmed what Nobel-Level biology has suggested for decades. Your skin is a direct reflection of your internal metabolic integrity. If your biological scaffolding is rusting from the inside, no amount of Botox can fix the structure. Today, we're going to learn how to weld your collagen back together and clear out the cellular rust, all without spending a dime on cosmetics. This is your 600-second skin architecture audit.
Welcome to Health 600s. On this channel, we believe that the most life-changing health insights shouldn't be buried in a 50-page medical journal. We bridge the gap between elite, Nobel-level academic research and your daily morning routine. Do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. We're building a community of high performers who want to add years to their life using science, not guesswork. Ready to start the clock? Let's go.
Chapter 1: The Glycation Trap, Why Your Skin Caramelizes. Let's talk about the one killer of youthful skin: age's advanced glycation and products. Think of your collagen fibers like flexible, bouncy springs. When your blood sugar stays elevated, glucose molecules stick to those proteins. This process is called glycation. Essentially, you are caramelizing your internal scaffolding. Those bouncy springs become brittle, brown, and rusty. This is why sugar-heavy diets lead to sugar face, deep, inelastic wrinkles that no cream can penetrate. In a 2025 study, participants who reduced their glycemic load by just 20% saw a measurable increase in skin elasticity within 60 days. The secret isn't a new serum, it's stopping the internal browning of your proteins. Chapter 2: The Autophagy Broom, Recycling Old Skin. Your skin has a built-in recycling center called autophagy. This is the 2016 Nobel Prize-winning discovery that is now the gold standard for 2026 skin health. When you are in a fasted state, specifically between 14 and 16 hours, your skin cells start eating their own damaged proteins. It clears out the gunk, misfolded proteins, and replaces them with fresh, tight fibers. If you are constantly eating, your skin never gets the signal to clean house. Pro tip: your last meal of the day is your most important skincare routine. Finish eating 4 hours before bed to allow the nightly autophagy sweep to begin while you sleep. You aren't fasting, you are renovating. Chapter 3: The Mineral Welders, Copper and Vitamin C. Collagen isn't just a substance, it's a weave. To create that weave, your body needs welders. The primary welder is an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, and it is powered almost entirely by copper. Most people focus on vitamin C, which is the fuel, but without copper, the welding never happens. Instead of expensive supplements, 2026 protocols suggest 1–2 ounces of grass-fed beef liver or a handful of pumpkin seeds a week. This provides the trace mineral matrix required to cross-link your collagen fibers into a tight, resilient shield. This is the difference between skin that sags and skin that snaps back. Chapter 4: The Hormetic Shock, Heat, Cold, and RBM3. Want to tighten your skin for free? Use hormetic stress. When you expose your skin to brief periods of intense cold, like a 30-second cold shower or heat sauna, you trigger heat shock proteins and a specific cold shock protein called RBM3. These proteins act like quality control managers for your collagen. They find damaged strands and force the cell to repair them instantly. 2026 data shows that thermal cycling increases blood flow to the dermis, the deep layer, delivering 3x more oxygen than a standard facial. It is the ultimate internal natural lift. So the 2026 protocol is simple. 1. The sugar lock. Stop the caramelization. 2. The 16:8 window. Let autophagy sweep the floors. 3. The trace mineral audit. Feed the welders. 4. The thermal shock. Trigger the quality control proteins. You don't need a needle to look youthful. You need a lifestyle that respects your biological architecture.
That is your 600 seconds of elite health insight. If this changed the way you look at a simple breath of air, please CLS. Thank you for spending your most important 10 minutes with me. This is Health 600s, and I'll see you in the next 600 seconds.
protocol, how to drink. So, is the gold standard of health to quit entirely? Not necessarily. The 2026 protocol for wine is about mitigation and timing. 1. The hydration bridge. For every 4 Ahs of wine, you need 8 Ahs of mineral-rich water to help the liver flush the acetaldehyde. 2. The sugar lock. Avoid sweet wines. The combination of alcohol and residual sugar is a double hit to liver insulin sensitivity. 3. The bioindividual check. If you feel flushed or get a headache after half a glass, your ALDH2 enzyme is struggling. Your body is telling you that the wine protocol is a net loss for your longevity. Nature provides the molecules, but your biology provides the context. Red wine can be a tool for connection and minor genetic signaling, or it can be a slow-motion wrecking ball for your liver health. Know your limits, respect your liver, and prioritize the connection over the chemistry.